Today, Governor Greg Abbott held his first press conference since the leak of the U.S. Supreme Court's draft opinion indicating they will strike down Roe v. Wade and strip constitutional protections for women seeking abortions. Now, CBS Austin's Christian Flores watched the event and joins us live. And Christian, interesting here, Governor Greg Abbott has been oddly silent since the news of the leak broke.
Well, that silence may actually be strategic. Not only has Governor Abbott avoided talking about abortions, but he's actually gone on the offensive when discussing immigration, a topic that political experts say is more of a winning issue for Republicans than a total abortion ban is.
What has happened so far is what I consider to be a hijacking of a United States Supreme Court decision.
Despite the shockwave set off by Monday's news that the Supreme Court is poised to overturn Roe v. Wade and remove constitutional protections for women seeking abortions, Governor Greg Abbott has largely remained silent. Before Thursday's press conference about small businesses, he has only done one small radio interview since the first draft of the decision leaked Monday, but has not commented on Twitter or released a press release. And the few times he has talked, his comments have largely lacked substance.
For the Supreme Court to show that they are not going to be pressured or bullied by this, I strongly urge the Supreme Court to get that decision out this week.
Legal experts say this suggestion is unlikely to happen and will only encourage more leaks in the future. But this goes hand in hand with Abbott's seeming approach when talking, or more accurately remaining silent, about the Supreme Court's potential decision. When not criticizing the leak, he offered this comment about his stance on the decision.
That dovetails with where the state of Texas has been ever since I've been governor, and that is we are a pro-life state.
The lack of substantive comments on the Supreme Court's potential ruling may be strategic. Political experts say total bans on abortion may actually hurt Republicans at the polls.
So the majority of independents oppose prohibiting abortion in Texas. About a quarter or more of Republicans oppose making abortion completely unavailable. And it's not the issue for Republicans that say border security is.
In fact, the most notable thing Governor Abbott has said since the leak has been on immigration policy. On Wednesday, during his radio interview, he said Texas would consider challenging a Supreme Court decision that requires all states to provide free public education to all children, including undocumented children. Questions about those comments dominated the beginning of Thursday's press conference, once again shifting the conversation from abortion to immigration, considered by political experts a winning issue for Republicans.
That leads to education obligations, as well as other obligations that are simply unsustainable and unaffordable.
And the Supreme Court is expected to release a final decision before the end of this year's term, which is in late June. Reporting live from the Texas Capitol, Christian Flores, CBS Austin News.